Getting started with IFCout Cloud. Initial setup. When you launch IFCout Cloud for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Following login, you must define your working folder. This directory is critical as it stores all configuration at any time using the Browse button. Navigation and interface. The application is organized into 4 primary tabs. Configurations. Create and manually execute export files. Settings. Define the core parameters for each configuration. Schedules. Manage and modify automated task schedules. Logs. Review export history and diagnostic files. Creating an export configuration. Creating a configuration is the essential first step for both manual and scheduled exports. To begin, click the New Configuration button and enter a name for your file. Program source. The application defaults to the target AutoCAD program currently active, for example, AutoCAD Plant3D. If you need to change the target program later, use the Update button. Savings. New configurations are automatically saved to your working folder. Configuring settings. Once a configuration is created, you can customize its behavior in the Settings tab. Format and scale. Select your preferred IFC file format. Use the units multiplier to ensure the model scales correctly. For example, enter 25.4 to convert an inch-based AutoCAD model to millimeters. Core engine. By default, the app uses the latest installed version of AutoCAD. If you switch to an earlier version, ensure the IFCout Cloud version remains compatible. Preferences, toggle tooltips, or change the interface language as needed. Export options. Fine-tune your output with the following toggles. Visuals. Enable Show Color to include entity colors. Use Export Layer to retain AutoCAD layer data. Consolidation. Enable Combine All into one IFC file to merge all models. Otherwise, they will export as individual files. Geometry. Use Export Nested Entities separately to explode blocks. Include AutoCAD Entities ensures basic geometry is exported alongside specialized Plant3D or advanced Steel objects. Optimization. Export only properties with values prevents empty data fields from cluttering the IFC file. Plant3D specifics. You can choose export connectors or insulation. For insulation, you can adjust transparency levels and choose between the pipe color or a dedicated insulation color. Managing drawings and properties. Defining the drawing list. Back in the Configurations tab, click to specify which drawings to include. Browse. Navigate to local or cloud-mapped folders. Select. Choose specific files or use Add All to include an entire directory. Folder export. Check Export All Drawings in folder to automatically include any new drawings found in those directories during the export. Destination. Define exactly where your exported IFC files and log files should be saved. Note: any changes made here are only finalized once you click OK. Property mapping. To control which data is attached to your model, click the Properties button. The interface will adapt based on your program source, for example, showing Plant3D specific properties. From the All Properties list, simply select and add the specific metadata fields you wish to include in your IFC export. Restore. Use the Restore button to revert to the default, out-of-the-box property list. Open. The Open button allows you to load a previously saved properties file. This is useful for importing custom property sets or project-specific properties exported directly from AutoCAD Plant3D. For details on generating these files within AutoCAD, please refer to the AutoCAD commands reference in this tutorial. Save. Use the Save button to archive your customizations. You can tailor the property list by using the Add, Modify, and Remove buttons to adjust the data included in your export. Finalize. After making your selections, you must click OK to apply and save these changes to the active configuration file. The Schedules tab allows you to create task schedules. Click the New Schedule button. This dialog box appears where you can specify the new schedule name and optionally a description, the date and time when the automatic export starts, and how frequently it is run. It can repeat in terms of hours, days, or weeks. You can include one or more configuration files to run at the same time. Check all available configurations you want to include from the Available Configurations list. To save and create the schedule in Windows Task Scheduler, click OK. The Update button allows you to make changes to an existing schedule. The Remove button allows you to remove the selected schedule from the Windows Task Scheduler. The Enable/Disable button allows you to enable or disable to selected schedule. Disable means to stop the automatic execution of this task schedule. Use the Log Files tab to view and delete log files created by all exports either manually or automatically through the task schedules. The Browse button allows you to navigate to where the log files are. The Delete button allows you to delete selected log files. The Show checkbox allows you to view detailed log data or only the important steps.